everyone! Welcome to Simple English Talks. I am Zara.
And I am Leo. So happy you are here with us today.
Leo, quick question. How many meanings does the word get have?
2, 3, maybe 5?
Try over 100! Get is one of the most used words in the English language, and today we are going to learn the most important meanings and uses.
100 meanings! That sounds overwhelming. But do not worry, everyone. We are going to make it simple and fun today.
By the end of this episode, you are going to understand and use get naturally in everyday English conversations.
Before we start, tell us in the comments, how do you use get in English? Write one sentence below. We want to see your examples.
And if you are new here, welcome to Simple English Talks. Please subscribe so you never miss a free English lesson like this one.
Okay, Zara, let us start from the very beginning. What is the most basic meaning of get?
The most basic meaning of get is to receive or obtain something. To get something means it comes to you, or you go and find it.
Give us examples of get, meaning receive or obtain.
I got a letter today. She got a new job. He got a present for his birthday. Did you get my message? I need to get some milk from the shop.
All receiving or obtaining. A letter came to you. A job was obtained. A present was received. Get equals receive or obtain. Simple.
Now, get also means to become, when something changes state or condition. This is one of the most important uses of get.
Give us examples of get, meaning become.
It is getting cold outside. She got angry when she heard the news. He got tired after working all day. I am getting better at English. They got married last year.
All changes. Cold is changing. Angry happened. Tired happened. Better is improving. Get equals become or change. So useful.
And notice something important. We use get instead of become in everyday informal English. Instead of she became angry, we say she got angry. Instead of it is becoming cold, we say it is getting cold.
So get is more natural and casual than become in everyday conversation. Native speakers almost always use get, not become.
Exactly. Now, get also means to arrive or reach somewhere, to get to a place.
Give us examples.
What time did you get home? I get to work at 9 every morning. We got to the airport just in time. When did you get here? She gets to school by bus.
All arriving. Getting home, getting to work, getting to the airport. Get to means to arrive at a place. So natural.
Now, let us talk about get with phrasal verbs. This is where get becomes incredibly powerful in English.
Oh yes, get has so many phrasal verbs. Tell us the most important ones.
Get up means to wake up and leave your bed. Get on means to board a vehicle or have a good relationship. Get off means to leave a vehicle. Get out means to leave a place. I get up at 7 every morning. I get on well with my colleagues. Get off the bus at the next stop. Get out of here. All so natural. More phrasal verbs. Get back means to return. Get over means to recover from something. Get along means to have a good relationship. Get through means to finish or contact someone.
I got back from holiday yesterday. She got over her cold quickly. Do you get along with your neighbors? I could not get through to him on the phone.
Can you use one get phrasal verb in a sentence? Write it in the comments right now. We want to see your examples.
Now, get also means to understand something. This is very common in everyday conversation.
Do you get it? I do not get what you mean. Now I get it. I did not get the joke. She gets it now. Did you get what the teacher said?
Get equals understand in informal English. Instead of do you understand, I say do you get it? So much more natural in conversation.
And get also means to fetch or go and bring something back. Can you get me a glass of water? I will get the car from the garage. She went to get some food.
Get equals fetch or go and bring. Can you get me that book? I need to get my jacket. All asking someone to fetch something.
Now, common mistakes with get.
Tell us the mistakes.
Mistake number 1, using become instead of get in informal conversation. Incorrect, I became tired. Correct, I got tired. In everyday English, get is more natural than become.
Mistake number 2, forgetting get to for arriving. Incorrect, what time did you arrive to work? Correct, what time did you get to work? Get to is the most natural way to say arrive at in conversation.
Mistake number 3, mixing up get on and get in. For large vehicles like buses, trains, planes, we say get on. For small vehicles like cars, taxis, we say get in.
Get on the bus. Get on the train. But get in the car. Get in the taxi. The size of the vehicle decides on or in.
Mistake number 4, using understand instead of get in informal situations. Incorrect. Do you understand the joke? Correct in casual English. Do you get the joke? Get sounds more natural and friendly.
Can you spot the mistake? I became very tired when I arrived to home and I could not understand the movie at all.
Answer: I got very tired. Get, not become. When I got home, not arrived to home. And I could not get the movie. In casual English, get means understand. 3 mistakes. Did you find them all? Tell us in the comments. Now, quick practice. I give you a sentence and you tell me what get means. Ready? Ready. Number 1. I got a message from my friend this morning.
Get equals receive. I received a message. Number 2. It is getting dark outside. Get equals become. It is becoming dark.
Number 3.
Do you get what I am saying? Get equals understand. Do you understand what I am saying? Number 4. What time do you get to the office? Get to equals arrive at. What time do you arrive at the office? Amazing. Memory trick, everyone. Get equals receive, become, arrive, understand, and fetch. 5 main meanings. Learn these and you will use get like a native speaker. Say it 3 times out loud. What was the most useful thing you learned today? Tell us in the comments. Please subscribe to Simple English Talks. Like this video and share it with a friend. This is Leo, and this is Zara, saying see you next time on Simple English Talk.